Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Hey guys, what's up? Have you ever wanted to like know what it was like to look like a different person or like try a different style or something like that? Because I'm always constantly seeing other people's style. I'm just like, man, would that look good on me? Like, would I look good like that? Do I look good like this? It doesn't really matter what you look like on the outside because it's what's on the inside that matters. But playing around with different styles and things like that can be really fun. I'm recreating myself into a different style of person. I'm doing my makeup a little bit differently. I am changing my hair. I highly suggest you try this out because it's actually a lot of fun. But let's just get right into what I did. I'm having a bit of a rough skin time going on right now, so I covered that up with some concealer and some foundation as well as some powder because I have oily skin and I don't want to be shiny. And then I went in with some bronzer on my cheekbones because I wanted to have like a more bronzy, like natural look. So I went with some bronzer on my cheekbones as well as like my jawline and like around my head just to make myself look a little bit more tan because I'm basically as white as the snow. If I went outside, I would basically disappear. I went in and put a little bit of that same bronzer in my crease as well. I do my winged liner every day, like of my life, and I just thought it'd be something interesting to see what I look like without it, and I'm not really sure how I feel about it, so let me know in the comments what you guys think. I moved on to my eyebrows. I usually fill mine in kind of blocky, but today I decided to kind of feather them out a little bit using a tinted brow gel. I did end up filling them in just a tiny bit in any sparse areas, but nothing like I normally would do. So next I just went in with a brown eyeliner pencil. I just went in and put a little bit underneath of where my top lashes are just to darken them up a little bit because I'm not going to be doing any winged liner. I put some mascara on them and then I just put some blush on and basically called it a day. Makeup can definitely drastically change your looks, but if you really want to go for the gold, you have to change your hair. And obviously I did not want to get rid of my purple because I love my purple, so I didn't dye my hair or anything. So I have a wig. I got this wig from Donna Love Hair several months ago. I did a whole review video on it. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a card. It's going to pop up in the corner here any second, and I'll also leave it linked in the description box if you want to check that out. It's blonde, which is very different from my hair. It's freakishly long too, but I think it does the job for what I'm trying to do here. So this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think I look really different. If you don't think I look that different, do you like the blonde hair? Do you like the non-winged eyeliner? Let me know in the comments down below. And this is totally just for fun. I think it's fun to try new things because within trying new things, you find new things that you enjoy, that you like, test new products, you find new products that you like, that kind of thing. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see this type of video again, but you want to see me do something 100% different than what I look like now and what I did in this video, because I'd totally be down for that. I want to try new wigs, new makeup, you know, try new things. And with that being said, I think that's the end of today's video, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video.